Okay.
Hi, I'm Kim with Remax Encore, and I'm here with Roy from CMG.
No,
Hi.
Stockton Mortgage. Stockton Mortgage. Oh no, you're fine. I have hopped a couple times, so that's all right. But
I'll tell you what, it's a Tuesday. I'm wearing green, so I've got myself that far, but today is just
it's
all
actually
jumbled. So
it's
I'm
actually
with Roy
Thursday, Kim.
Pace.
It's actually Thursday.
Did I say Tuesday?
But happy St. Patrick's Day, right?
Yes, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Today we're going to talk about what a gift giver is, what it means, how it can help you, and who is eligible. And this is a really great way to get into a house. And Roy's going to explain a little bit more about it. And I think this will be an option that can help you without even knowing that this is even an option for
Yeah.
you.
A lot of people don't think about getting a gift. They look at, okay, how much money do I have in my bank account, and they think that's where it extends. But you can actually get a gift, and I'm not going to go into each individual program because each loan program can have different requirements or obligations for a gift. But the gist is, mom and dad want to give you a gift towards your purchasing your first home. Your brother did really well at Vegas and has some extra cash and wants to give you a gift for the purchase of your home. So it can be a family member. Each, FHA versus conventional can be different. What that can look like. There really isn't a limit on how much they can give you as far as a gift. It can be, in some cases, it could be your employer could give you a gift towards down payment. So there's multiple ways to do it. We're going to have to show where that gift came from. So can't be Uncle Willie's cash underneath the bed that he's been storing for years and years for when you buy your first house. So there is a paper trail we have to observe. But rather than saying no, I can't buy a house because I don't have the down payment, gift giving is a huge part. And we've done, wow, I think in the last month I've had two or three of them where they've gotten gift from family members, usually mom and dad, but it could be extended relatives as well.
Yeah, I have about 5% of my clients are were able to get into homes because of a gift giver, and they didn't even know a gift giver was even an option or existed until
Right.
you and I talked to them. So that is a great way to be able to get into these homes with again with that option. Is it hard? Is there a lot to it, Roy?
No, you have a gift letter, and basically the gift letter is going to state where the money's coming from, who the person is that's giving it to you, what relation they are to you, coming from a checking or savings account, and that there is no expectation of repayment. So that's important. Going to have to, once again, the last one we did, we had mom wire the funds directly to the closing. So that helped limit the amount of paperwork we needed for that. But once again, FHA versus conventional can be different documentation, but it's pretty easy. Sometimes a bank statement, a copy of the check, deposit into your account, prove it's there, things like that. So it's really not that hard. It's just a little bit, and it doesn't have to be the whole down payment. Maybe you've got half of it and mom wants to kick in or dad wants to kick in the other half. You can do that. So it doesn't have to be your full down payment amount.
Okay, so there's no set amount. So does the gift giver have to go to closing? Do they have to sign paperwork? Are they going to be anywhere on the loan or have any ties to the house?
Nope.
Or are they just completely separate?
Nope. No obligation. They are going to sign the gift letter, but we'll do that way in advance. There's no requirement for them to be at the closing. The easiest way that we do it, to do it is to have whoever's giving the gift just wire it directly to title at closing. That way you don't have to go through the paperwork of getting it into your banking account, showing it was in your bank account, documenting that with a updated bank statement or transaction history. So it can be super simple.
Yeah, it sounds like it's an easy transaction. If you know somebody that some extra money that wants to help you out, and for you to be able to get into a house. Again, like Roy said, there's more to it, but not much. It's an easy process, and he can apply that towards several loan programs.
Yeah, and the other thing to remember too is it doesn't have to be one. We had one that was, I don't think it was with you, but they had 5 different family members that were gifting them like 1,500 or 2,000. So we had 5 different gifts coming in. So it doesn't have, it's not restricted to just one person.
Okay, that I did not know. That's interesting. I just learned that today myself. I thought it had to be one person, so you could have 10 people.
Yeah, we had mom, dad, grandma. I think it was a brother and a sister. Did we lose you, Kim? I think we may have lost Kim. So I'm going to wrap things up, and I'm Roy Paith with Stockton Mortgage. The person that is frozen right now is Kim Hinsky. Oh, you're back, Kim.
I'm like a leprechaun. I just disappeared and I came right back.
Very good. Very perfect for this video, right?
On a Thursday.
On a Thursday, yes, on St. Patrick's Day. There must be we must have a leprechaun messing with our connection. But anyways.
Oh, that's so funny. Now, if I could just wake up and have gold under my pillow, I'd be a happy camper.
There you go. I think next week we'll go into one of the other down payment options outside of your own bank account would be the down payment assistance programs.
Great. Awesome.
It's a great program for people and to get into, but we'll get into more details next week. And I think that's all I have, Kim.
That's all I have too. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, want to know what's going on, want us to touch on a certain topic that you want to know about, send us an email, text message, comment below, and we'd love to hear from you.
Yes. And if you want to do smoke signals, I do communicate that way as well. So whatever works best for you works best for me.
Absolutely. Have a great day. Enjoy St. Patrick's Day and then eat some green food.
And don't enjoy too much.
Right. Be safe.
All right. Bye.
Bye.